Hi, this is Peter Chirico with Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. And today I wanted to talk to you about what happens if you failed multiple cortisone injections for heel or foot pain. What do you do? If you've had a series of two or three and nothing's helped, two or three injections and nothing's helped, there are alternatives. And I just wanted to talk to you about what they are so you have a plan of attack. The first thing we need to note here is not all foot and heel pain is alike. There could be other reasons for your heel and foot pain that have been overlooked so far. It can be coming from the lumbar spine. It can be coming from an SI joint problem and a neural tension problem, which is all higher up above the knee and from the low back to the knee area, and radiates down into that area and feels just like it is in the heel and foot area. That can happen. The other thing to be aware of is that not all cortisone injections help. In my experience, in my 40 years of experience, it's helped about a third of the time. And another third, it hasn't helped at all. And another third, it's helped temporarily for 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 days. And then the pain has come back. So there are alternatives available. In addition to that, the people who failed cortisone injections, I've seen for treatment afterwards. And they responded well and had resolution of their problems and did very well. So it doesn't mean that you're at a dead end. There are alternatives. This can be coming from another area. It needs to be evaluated. That's what we do when we see patients. We want to get at the root cause of the problem, so we're attacking the right problem. If you'd like to see us for an evaluation, please give us a call. Our number's 909 345 3370, or you can reach me through our website at Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. And I hope this video has been helpful, informative, and you've enjoyed watching it. And I want to thank you for your time. If you like the video, share it on Facebook. And I want to wish you a good day. All right. Bye-bye.